I haven't been vlogging a lot these past few months after my Orlando trip. This is what has been happening. Hello from the future. So after my Orlando trip, I celebrated my birthday in a very chill way. I had omakase dinner with my boyfriend, and then we watched A Left-Handed Girl with a Q&A afterwards with the producers. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. You can watch it on Netflix. We did take a trip back to the DMV to spend Christmas with our families, and then we came back to New York City for the New Year's. And then I pretty much started picking up my camera a little more after that. So this is what has been happening. I just go like this around the whole ring?
Yeah, closer. Closer. Yeah. Slow circular motion. Okay, we're good to go. Then drops in between these two lines.
Just going down. Yeah. It's like we're doing nails. Today we are going to Flushing to shoot 3 collabs. One of them is a beauty store. The second one is going to be a spa. I'm getting a facial. And then the third one is lemon tea spot. It's been a while since I've been to Flushing. And I don't go often, so when I do go, I try to stack all of my collabs into that day. And I hope I don't run out of storage. Okay, I completely forgot to shoot while I was in Tokimo, the beauty store, but I did get $100 worth of stuff. I can't wait to show you guys when I get home. I am now in the spa place. It's called Fairlady. I'm in the room trying to get ready for the facial now. So I did one for 6 months and then
你这是因为电脑吗？还是你有去跳舞什么的？
我做了很多运动。
哦，对，难怪你身材这么好。
谢谢。
这样热吗？可以吗？
可以。
可以啊。喷一下挤的时候就不痛。喷完了以后，给你用一下小气泡，完了再按摩成敷面膜。好，你皮肤是不是做过一些勒的？
做过
关子润肤是吧？英文关子勒肤怎么说
？L 英文叫什么？你们 LH 什么？光子就是那个
OPT 吗？
对，那个谁啊吧？我也不知道哎，忘了，好久没用了。
9月做过
9个月做过啊。你皮肤做完的效果还不错的。
你也可以看来。
我们这边也可以做的。如果你再等个2-3个月，你可以再和我们联系，可以免费给你做一个，你给我们发个广告也可以的。 一般的做这种嫩肤呢，大约在2个月到3个月做一次。因为当时一般公司都说一个月皮肤能修复起来，一个月也就够。
Honey caramel look, and this one I'm gonna kind of do more of like a lifted pink blush, and the other one I'm gonna do something else, but I'll share. This gives a gorgeous halo, and that color is like amazing. These blushes are so pigmented also, like literally 2 swipes and you're good. You don't need to like sun-kissed, glowing, deserty vibe versus like just the lift. So I usually start on the center of the nose and I'll work down under the eye and over the cheekbones. Still high up on the face to give you like a lift.
Oh my god, wait. Wow. This is a lot of fun. Can I live here? No, that's
Someone just said that. Oh my gosh, looks so good. You look like a star. Yeah.
Been a few days since I last vlogged, but I did go to a YSL event today and I got a bunch of packages, so let's unbox. I'm actually gonna start with what I got from Tokimo in Flushing. I know that I said I was gonna show you guys what I got, but I completely forgot, so let's do that now. So they're actually known for like all their beauty, like skincare and makeup, but because I get a lot of that already, I decided to use my voucher for other things. So first I got these super cute hair clips. Actually, don't know if you can see that. Like, is it too bright? Let me turn. Not bright enough. Okay. So I got these super cute hair clips for when I'm getting ready. I do have some, but they're not cute, and I wanted cute ones, so I got these. I got pads. These are Japanese. If you haven't tried Japanese pads out, I highly recommend if you're Asian because they just fit us so well. I got this body scrub wash. It's grapefruit peach scented. It smells really good. This Japanese hand soap. These are the only 2 makeup items that I got, and it's because it's Flower Nose and I've always wanted to try this brand. I do have a hand mirror from them, but that's about it. So I got a eyebrow pencil and then I got an eyeshadow palette. Should I open it for you guys? I'll open it for you guys. The palette is super pretty. I don't even wear eyeshadow like that, but I just got it just because it's so pretty. Look how cute! And the reveal, da 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 da, gorgeous. I chose this brown palette because it's probably the shades that I would use if I do end up using it. And then this is what the eyebrow pencil looks like. Which I go through eyebrow pencils like it's nothing because I have no brows. Even this is so pretty. You have the pencil on one end and then you have the gel or tinted gel on the other side. And then the last thing I got from Tokimo is this white tea scented diffuser. I never use diffusers, but this just smells so good. I had to get it. This is what it looks like. It comes with the sticks. And that's what it looks like. I believe this is a Chinese brand. It's called, okay, I don't know what the brand is, but I will figure it out and put it down below. Okay, next up, let's do this bag. It actually came in a box, but I already recycled it. I'm just drinking hot water, by the way. So this is from 2AN. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is a Korean makeup brand that I have been wanting to try. So they sent me creamy cushion foundations. I feel like I can never match myself with Asian cushion brands, so let's see if these will work. And then they sent a liquid cheek liner, lip liner, I believe, and then bouncing tint. I believe this is a lip tint. Let's open this up. Ooh, so pretty. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, wait, this liquid cheek tint packaging is so cute. I'll be doing a TikTok video on this, so stay tuned for that. Next up, we have this box, and it is filled with one of my favorite skincare brands, Purito. So they sent 2 of everything, which is amazing because now I don't have to share with Alex. This is the Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream, which we both love. Alex loves this one. I think this might be his favorite moisturizer ever. And then we have the Oat and Calming Gel Cream. I feel like I might like this one more than him because I have combination / oily skin and he has really dry skin, so I don't know if he'll like the gel. Oat and Gentle Exfoliating Face Cleanser. The Oat Toner, which I'm actually using right now and I'm almost done with it. So now I have a replacement. The 2 serums that I've made videos on before, and I think Alex just finished this one too, so we'll see if he likes it and wants it again. Okay, next is this black box, which is from L'Oreal. I already opened it, but I'll just show you guys. So I feel like I never do unboxings on here. This is the L'Oreal Elvive Smoother Hair Instant Shine. So they sent the shampoo, the conditioner, and a leave-in serum. I love the pink color. Let's do clothing. So I have these 2 from MeUndies. They're so comfortable. My favorite underwear brand right now. All I wear now. I have my Fabletics set, which is my favorite color combo. It's giving Pink Pilates Princess. This is the sports bra. I actually don't really love when it's like traditional bra opening like this because when I'm working out, I'm scared that it's gonna unhook itself. It's never happened before, but I'm just scared it will one day. And then these are the bottoms. Slightly different from the pink pair that I already have. This is like a different waistband. And then we have OneSkin. They sent their body lotion, which I've been wanting to try. We actually have their face moisturizer and eye cream. I ended up giving the face moisturizer to Alex and he really likes it. Cute little bottle. We also have Heso Rice Protein Serum Mist. This looks very hydrating. That smells really good. It smells like rice water. Next we have this cute pink box from Toolbox. Tool lab, sorry, not toolbox. Ooh. They sent honey finger glove for pore. I'm not sure what that means. Is it like an exfoliating glove? Okay, I think this is like a exfoliating glove. I actually just tried the Purito one, so I'm excited to try this one. I actually really like that concept. They sent a puff with a travel kit, which is always necessary, and there's a little brush in here too. Super cute. I love anything that comes in travel cases. It's very useful. How cute. Oh, more puffs. Different type of puff from the one in here. This is like puffier. And then this is same kind of puff as the one in here, but just round. I am actually excited to use this because I feel like the sponge that I'm using is so old, so I'm gonna try these out tomorrow. The video just cut, but the last package that I got was from L'Occitane. Shower oil, that is my favorite. The body oil, and then they sent a hair and body perfume, which I also use right before I go to the gym. So that was everything that I got recently. I want to thank all the brands that send me things, and I'm super excited to try everything out. Let me know if you like this unboxing and if you want to see more. So I have been editing the Orlando vlog all day today, which is way overdue. I went back in December and it is now February. While editing, I noticed that pretty much all of my footage from Universal is unusable because the camera is just so shaky, and I didn't realize that on my Insta360 sometimes when I turn it on, the anti-jitter turns off. I don't know why it does that, but because of that, a lot of my footage is now shaky and I can't use it. So I'm super annoyed, and yeah, Insta360, you need to fix that. Why does it do that?